Good morning, everyone. Why should you invest in Colruyt Group? In the following minutes, I'll show you why the company is worth investing in. I'll give you some more information about the group, its financial position by using liquidity, solvency, and profitability ratios, and the dividend policy and the market price. At the end, I'll give you some reasons why you should invest in Colruyt Group. The Colruyt Group is not only Colruyt. The group consists of some other companies such as OK, Spar, Dreamland, Dreambaby, Dots24, and BioPlanet. First, I'll show you the liquidity of the company. This graph shows the evolution of the current ratio and the acid test ratio from 2015 until 2018. Both ratios increased gradually until 2017 from 0.88 to 0.96 and from 0.52 to 0.61, so the liquidity of the company became better. In 2018, there was a relapse to 0.77 and 0.44 caused by a decrease of the cash and cash equivalents which were used for the purchase of fixed assets. This will cause no liquidity problems because of the continuous operating cycle in the company. To continue, I'll show you the solvency ratios. This graph shows the evolution of the debt ratio and the solvency ratio over the years, 2015 until 2018. The financing of the company remains quite constant. Over the different years, the debt ratio balances between 47.7% and 50.8%. The solvency ratio between 49.2% and 52.3%, so the financing of the company is in balance. Next, I'd like to show you the profitability of the company. The graph shows the evolution of the net profit from 2015 until 2018 in million euros. The net profit is climbing from 362.6 million in 2015 to 383.2 million in 2017. In 2018, there was a decline to 374.4 million, caused by an increase of the revenue from wholesale and food services. Note hereby that retail is the most important segment of the company and represents therefore around 80% of the total revenue. The following graph concerning profitability shows the evolution of the return on equity from 2015 until 2018. In 2015, the ratio amounted to 20.1% and dropped to 17.9% in 2016 and 2017. Due to an increase of equity capital by means of reserves and share capital, in 2018 the ratio raised to 18.3%, so the company guarantees a good return on your investment. Now let's turn the dividend policy. These graphs show you the evolution of the dividend payout ratio and the dividend yield from 2015 until 2018. The dividend payout ratio climbed from 45.2% in 2015 to 46.9% in 2018. This means that almost 50% of the profit per share is paid out to the investors as gross dividend. The dividend yield climbed from 2.47% in 2015 to 2.72% in 2018. The investors receive a higher return by investing their money in the company than by saving their money on a saving account. The last graph shows you the evolution of the market price. of the share from 2015 until 2018 in euros. The market price increased from 40.54 in 2015 to 51.2 in 2016 and decreased again to 46.2 and 44.92 in 2017 and 2018. The market price remains relatively stable during the years. Finally, why should you invest in Colruyt Group? First, the company has no liquidity problems because of the continuous operating cycle. Second, the financing of the company is in balance. The company has no meaningful debts that could lead to financial problems. Third, the company is profitable and gives you a good return. In addition, they have a high dividend payout ratio and a good dividend yield that brings the investor more money than his saving account. So if you want a higher yield than the interest on a saving account, a share in Colruyt Group is an option. These are my references for your attention.